and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today I'm going to be making my all-time favorite smoothie bowl. So let's get started. So once we put our frozen fruits of 2 frozen bananas, 1 cup of frozen mango, and a 1/3 cup of strawberries, I'm gonna add my milk. I'm using a plant-based almond milk, but if you want to use whole milk or coconut milk, whatever suits you, honestly. So I'm just gonna add this, and as I said, it's super simple. We're done. And so all we just have to do is blend it up. So once your smoothie is made, I put about half of it into a bowl because this is really 2 serving sizes and it looks quite tasty. And I have all different types of toppings, which I'm gonna add. I have some berries, some granola, some coconut chips. Honestly, you can really do anything with it. Now, the best part, in my opinion, getting to try it.
Oh, yeah. American teenager.
So good. It's like ice cream and a smoothie bowl came together and created a masterpiece.
And I'll be living this dream with you.